Welcome back, DIYers. Now, there can be a lot of reasons for wanting to know your roof's pitch, and I don't mean how well it can sing, because come on, let's face it, we all know that only the mountains can sing. The hills are alive with the... Wait, dang, sorry. I forgot that I was recording there for a minute. Got to remember to take that out later. So you need a 4-foot level or a straight board, no boat material here, a 1-foot torpedo level, and of course a tape measure. Oh, and you'll probably need a ladder unless you're Stretch Armstrong. Just place your torpedo level on your 4-foot level until it's level, and then put your tape measure on there. And as you can see, it reads 5, which means you have 5 inches of drop per 12 inches of run. So it is a 5/12 pitch roof. Then you can take your carpenter's square and you're going to look at the common rafter chart here and just go down it until you find 5. And in this case, we are going to be at 22.5 degrees. Then you can make your adjustment on your saw to give you the angle that you need. Lock it in place and you're ready to cut. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.